So, we got the box to run the all four engines for a few minutes. The ET1 was kind of testy. We'll see about, I think I'll just try running the ET8 because it runs much faster. And the ET8 will run the box, and I think we'll be able to keep all four of the other engines running the whole time. I also wonder if there's a little bit of problem with the amount of noise that the ignition modules cause on the backwards into the wiring, because with the a battery doesn't particularly care about the reverse EMF noise coming out of the generator or out of the spark ignition modules, but it might be enough to have the 5-volt regulator I'm using be unable to react that quickly. So we'll think about that, but first we'll just try the running the ET8 on the generator box and see how that goes. But I'm pretty happy that I got all four of them to run off the box for a little bit, and that's pretty cool, I guess. So we'll see what to do next time. But for now, it is time for me to go in and get some other work done.